Hello everyone. Yes, welcome back. So for today's video guys, I will bring you there in 99 market. I'm going to do a grocery. It's very near, but yeah, from here I can see. I can see. Okay, so I'll show you guys. I'm going to walk to go there. Okay. Yeah. So I have to be careful because there's so many cars. Okay. I'm going to. Okay, I'm gonna have to run because there is a car over there. No, motorcycle. Okay, and so I can see the 99 over there. It's very near. Today is Sunday, and my son is not here. I mean, my son is not with me. Went to his grandmother's house, and so I have time to go and do a grocery. So as you can see, that's the 99 over there. So I will show you when I get there. They do the what do you call that, like the temperature There's a restaurant there. Wait, I'm going to do a wide. The weather is fine now. I think it's 5 in the afternoon. No, early night, 5 p.m. Whew. So I woke up a while ago and I was talking to I joined the live of Diana Bell Liwa ng Germany. So I was on her live. So there is this restaurant there, and then I'm going to walk. I hope my video is not very like pain in your eyes, so I'm just gonna. So there you go. We're here in 99. They call it 99 Speedmart. So not allowed without mask, and I will do a yeah, that's the supermarket, and up there have the gym, the fitness gym. Okay, so I can cross. Easy to cross. Okay, so this is the place, and they have this thing here. You have to write your names. It's 36. Okay, let's go in. So first, I'm going to get my cotton. Oh gosh, I hope they have here cotton. It seems like everything they have here. Everything. I always come here. So I got this cotton here. Let's get two. Oh my gosh, I don't have the. Right, so I have to get the, because I cannot carry him. And then I'm going to get something from Sander. I think this one, the Beetle, or I'll probably get one of these. It's okay. I think this one right there. This one for him to, you know, refill. For him to shower. But I have to get this. So, thank you. I need to get the we don't have the downy. I think I'm just gonna get one of this because, you know, we don't have sunlight, just the air dryer. And I think I still have that, and I think I'm going to get one of these here. Where is the tops? I'm going to get this one. Oh my god, it's gonna be very, very, very heavy. Okay. And then I'm going to get my. If we get this, I hope they still have. Oh my god, oh no. No more lumpia wrapper. That sucks. What can I do? I'm gonna try to look on my fish. This is a shrimp. Trying to look my fish. Oh, it's not good anymore. It's not fresh. What kind of fish is this? Oh, this is tuna. I don't know what is this. Salmon? I don't know. Oh god, I'm not sure if I can get that. Get wrapper. Get wrapper. I'm just going to get a butter. I'm sorry. Some butter. I don't have the other one. Okay. Garbage. This one. To wash the plate. This is not the one that I'm trying to find. Yeah, this is too expensive already. I'm just gonna get one piece. I still have that. Oh, I'm going to get my I'm going to get this one. Turn off. Going to get the potato chips. This one. Potato chips. And one sunder here. And I think I'm gonna get this one. The curry, spicy curry. I'm gonna get all this. And I think this one. The cheese. Okay. Yogurt. They don't have the flavor one, so I think I'm gonna get this one. This one. Oops. Yeah. Okay. It's gonna be very heavy. So orange. I need to get the orange. Oops. This is broken. Let's see. I think I'm going to get this one. This side. Mix. I'm going to get one of these two. I'm trying to put the sunder. I think I'm going to get this. And this is how many inside? 8. I think I'm just going to get this one. 2 of this. Just want the sunder, vitamin C. Only the lumpia wrapper I don't have. So we do have rice already, eggs. Oh yeah, I forgot. I have to get my this one. Okay, sardines and this one. I'm going to get this one. This one. Not that one. Let me try to look. Okay. Oh my gosh. How can I carry? How can I carry this thing? Alright, okay. Because I left my I'm trying to find a black paper, the dinurog-durog one. But it seems like they don't have it here. It sucks. So I think I'm just gonna... Okay, so I'm done. As you can see, I have so many. Hi. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to carry all.